Hello. Hi, Ramil.
Hi,
Good evening.
good evening.
Wow, what a bright smile. That
Yeah,
looks very good.
thank you. The lights are out because we are facing a little bit of rainfall, just a little, just to create humidity, a lot and lots of humidity.
Okay.
But let's make hay while the sun shines. So
So,
anyway,
how are you? Tell me. How you have been?
I am not happy. Actually, I was looking forward for some products to go on discount on Nika. So I wanted to buy that. So now I think I will be able to because they have gone on discount. That's all. That's the reason for my happiness.
Okay.
What are you so chirpy about?
I'm always happy. Have you ever found me that I am unhappy or a bit
Not
down like that? I don't think you have ever found me like that.
no, never. I've just found you quiet, and from being quiet to now being like a little open, to be a little relaxed. Because earlier
Yes, yes,
you're one
yes. Right,
uptight person who
right,
doesn't smile, who's like an army gentleman sort of thing.
right. Due to this haircut.
No, earlier,
Oh, okay.
earlier. But yeah, why did you go for a haircut? I mean, who goes for a
Because
haircut in
I was
lockdown?
feeling a bit uneasy. It it grew long. That's why.
Okay, okay. I, for the first time in my life, I decided to grow my hair. And it happened only because of the last lockdown in the year 2020. Otherwise, I used to keep my hair really short. But
It's, you
yeah,
like to have hair short,
yeah, I never grew my hair. This is the first time that I let my hair grow.
but I think you look good on long hair. Why you need to cut?
I've never kept them. This is the first time, I think, since last lockdown. The last haircut that I had was in 2019 or something like that. And after that, the lockdown happened. I never had one. So my hair has been growing since then. Let's see how far it grows.
Let it grow on its own. Don't
Yeah,
cut.
I'm not doing.
So by the way, I think your birthday is round the corner or it has gone.
My birthday is around the corner. Yes.
Yeah. So
Why? How? What was the reason for you to remember it? I'm so glad that somebody is remembering my birthday.
now I just remember because one day you told me that your zodiac sign is Cancer.
Yeah.
So this is between June and July, something June or July,
Yes.
na?
Yes.
That's
Yes.
why.
It's
That's why.
July,
So,
August.
so
July, August.
what is the D day?
20th.
Okay, 20th
20.
July.
Yes, 20 July.
Okay, okay. I hope I will be able to wish you.
Let's see. Let's see. I'm just like the only celebration that I'm looking forward. Like now that I have grown older, I just like I don't want to celebrate my I don't want to celebrate my birthday. All I want to do is to sleep. Like just that would be the best present, you know. Just my mother does not give me any chore. I do not have to take a bath. I don't have to do anything. That's my birthday present for myself. So
By the
that's
way, do you celebrate? Otherwise,
I mean, there have been a couple of them that I have not celebrated. Then there have been a couple of them that I have. I mean, till it was in the hands of my parents. Successfully, they have given me a party of small people get together, and we went to some restaurant. Nothing at home, and
okay.
otherwise, when I like past couple of them, I have been celebrating it with my friends. But the last birthday was that when I was turning 23 or 24. That was the last birthday that I celebrated all right properly with my friends with a couple of after that I did not celebrate any me primarily because the lockdown happened and this one I'm not planning to. I mean, I'm turning 26. What
Yeah,
is
I
reason
know.
for me to celebrate? I have so much of responsibility on my shoulders right now. I certainly don't feel like celebrating my birthday. I can be just glad about it. Okay. A new year too. Kind of okay. Like nothing beyond that.
Yeah, I just didn't know, but I came to know a few years back that the youngsters, when they celebrate their birthday among their friends, they give a kick on their back. Is it there? Yes, something
I
like that?
didn't get it. What?
During on the birthday
Yeah.
kick or something like that, they give a light kick on their back, the friends
They
who's
kick on the back.
yeah. There is a term, I think, I don't know,
I heard about birthday bumps. I'm a victim of birthday bumps.
maybe
But
that one.
my one of my father's colleagues, one day he had to rescue a guy. All right, he was running and running and all huffing, puffing, and everything. And he said that, sir, I need to be saved. I need to be saved. And then sir went ahead. Yo, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you beating that poor chap up? What's wrong with you? What's wrong? The way, yeah, but I think now I understand, like, as I'm adulting, I'm like, whatever I used to hear, whatever I used to like, I used to give a deaf ear to it, but now I get each and everything as I'm living in it, you know. Yeah. Anyway, what's new?
Okay, there is nothing new, nothing serious. I just want to ask you. Everybody says that practice makes a man perfect.
Okay.
You might have heard all
Yeah.
your okay. So what about the women? It's only men.
Hey, ये कहाँ से आ गया? Like, what? Why are you making me laugh today so much?
Everybody says that practice makes a man perfect. So what about the women? They don't practice, and what about them?
I think it's like the same way, you know, like, instead of saying the first, human landed on moon, we say the first man landed on moon. All right,
Yeah.
denoting that it's a man who's literally a man who has landed on moon. All right,
Yes.
so that's the thing, like, that's how patriarchy works. That everything we always, like, even God is him, it's he. God is a he, it's not a she. And we don't know the identity of the God. We don't know the gender, we don't know the sex of God. So it's just because of that, nothing like women or man or anything. It's just a massive generalization of a human being, of human beings, because I don't know what to say. You're making me laugh so much. I'm controlling my laughter.
Just on a lighter side, not serious.
Yeah. What about the women? You people have been left out of practice. Good one, Subhash. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah. Other than that, would you like to tell me something interesting or anything? Would you like to describe your day or weekend or anything that happened in the office with you?
Nothing interesting is happening. Every day I go to office at usual time and I do my work. All the whole day I remain busy with my work, and just after finishing the work, I come back. Nothing.
What do you do? What are you working as?
I think I told you earlier also, only filing work. Okay, so we got the file from the lower level, so I have to check whether all the things that they have proposed or they have written is okay. Then
Okay.
we have to send the file after signing it to my senior officers,
Yeah. Okay.
and say after getting approval from them, the files come back to us. Then we do the
Basically, it's a big file journey that you have to
yeah,
let
only
go.
filing works, and thereafter the things that say in my job, particularly I'm talking about my job. So in our office, say somebody has to get promotion. Okay, so in order to give promotion to that particular officers or officials, there is a certain procedure that we have to follow. Then we so that in the file it will come that there are vacancy in that post. So some these officers are eligible to be promoted to this post. So it will come to me. Then I will check. Okay, the proposal is okay. Then I will put it to the higher authorities for the approval. When the higher authority will give the approval, the file will come back to us. Then we will do the rest of the procedure after getting the approval. And when everything is done, then order for promotion are issued. So this is
Oh,
how we work.
so you must be like in the if the filing cabinets must be really huge, like where you must be.
Yeah, there are so many cabinets. Yeah, right. You are.
Yeah, you must be like living in a massive file, like a land of files.
Yeah, you can say that.
Damn.
Sometimes it's so happen that we hardly. I mean, we the space take maximum of the space taken by the files. So yeah, hardly get to sit. Uh, I mean, not to say uh, I mean, easily, or I don't know. My word doesn't coming out.
Like the file occupies the major of your office space. It's not
Yeah.
even like it's not even fit for walking after a while, you know?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. I wonder how do you manage like I mean, if I were to be surrounded by these many files, I would have gone nuts to be honest.
No. 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 You are born to be taught others. Hey, you have not done this. So yeah, I told you to do this. Why you did not do this? You
There's
are the
constant nagging.
lecturer. You are the
There's
lecturer.
oh God! I did not understand at first. My goodness. Oh God, you're certainly holding me in some really high esteem.
Yeah, and you are going to be also, as you said, that your goal is to be professor in
Yeah,
years somewhere.
yeah, a good one that too, not just a like
Yeah, yeah,
just a good one that too. I
yeah.
just don't want to be a professor for the sake of it.
And you have the qualities. That's all. Why not? You should go
My
for it.
goodness, so sweet of you. So really sweet of you.
No, really. But the way you speak and the words that you use, the way you make us understand, yeah, that counts, now.
Okay. Well, what can I say? I mean, you just got like, I'm blushing right now. Whenever somebody says, all these things, I'm like, stop it. I all go blushy, blushy.
And at the same time, I hope I am not sounding like a flatterer.
A petter? What's a petter?
Flatterer or what? Flatterer or I am not
Flatterer?
flattering. I mean,
Lecturer. Lecture.
no, 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 no. I am not sounding like a flatterer. Is there any word flatterer?
Flatterer. No, no. If this is something like a flatterer is, then bring it on. Like, just bring them on in kilos. You see? Like, I'm so, oh God, if this flattery, I hope that your quality of flattery is like the general, but unfortunately, it's not. You
But it
see?
is not flattering. Seriously, I'm telling you. It's not. There is nothing to be about flattering here. But I am very serious about this. So
Oh,
you have the quality, yeah. And
thank you.
you are the daughter of a highly qualified father who is also doing in university. So why not? You have the qualities in you. You have this in your genes. Why not?
Yeah, but you know what? It's so competitive these days to become one.
No,
And
that is there. Okay, that is there.
yeah.
But you should go for it.
Yeah, I will go for it, but certainly like after 2 to 3 years, and I wanted to get it done from a good place. All right, then
Yeah,
I want to get
yes.
fixed at a good place. I just want that, like I don't know how to put it in words. Maybe because the even the dream that I'm dreaming is like so dreamy, you know. Sorry for that alliteration, but that's
Yes.
yeah, it's really something that I'm looking forward.
If you want to be someone that people would look up to you, so there should be a dream, and you have to fulfill the dream. You have to bring it into your reality. Dream. So
Hmm.
without dream, we cannot reach the goal. Actually, there should
Yeah, there
have.
is
Yeah.
absolutely no life.
Mm. When somebody gets complacent with something that they have, they cannot go to the higher level.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree. I agree. There was this ad. I don't know what was one. It just said that lalach ek kala hai, and that is something that just remained with me. Lalach ek
Yeah.
kala. It's not a buri bala. It's a kala. So
Yeah.
that I I just completely became a fan of it. You see?
Yes.
Yeah.
But
So
you have to be at the same time maintain the balance. A balance means what happens sometimes we keep high hopes and we always hope for the thing and we have the desire to achieve that one and we wait for that. And if somehow it doesn't happen now, we become depressed.
Hmm.
And
That
it is
happens.
there that you have to control your emotions and everything.
Hmm.
That is also there. So
Yeah,
some
that is
students
right now
are,
my low period is going on, and certainly like actually, you know what I don't have is something like the ability to crack the entrance. You know, I was rejected by JNU by 9 marks. All
oh,
right.
oh,
Admission to
oh,
just get me inside the gates of the college. I will handle the rest. And that is something that I'm like, and my father says that's the ulta thing, because securing an admission is a tougher task than remaining in that college, you see. And yeah, with the general category, with everything going on, with only 40% of the seats remaining, and the future that I want to make it in, the subject that I want to make it in, it's like really scanty. The job opportunities is scanty, everything is scanty, you see.
don't you have any aspiration for UPSC exam?
Oh my goodness, no way. No way.
Oh, you don't have. Okay.
I'm already 26.
So what? I think it is 20. You can apply till 28. I think.
Ah, who's going to struggle so much? Let me struggle.